try to get that color though, that color though. Hello you guys, Cece here and welcome back to my channel. Today is a little different video for my cleaning channel, but this is something I really want to do and I decided to share with you guys. As you see from the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a clean with me try on haul. Sounds weird, sounds different. No, I haven't seen this before, but hey, it's always a chance for something new. Anyway, as a cleaning motivator, I am filming a lot in my house, and most of that content is cleaning or things to do with my home, as you guys can see if you watch any of the videos on my channel. And if you haven't watched any of the cleaning motivation, please be sure to check out my Clean With Me playlist that I have here on my channel. But since I am in my house quite a bit, I wanted to pick up some outfits that were comfortable but cute and functional for cleaning. So that is what brought about this haul. I literally went shopping for these outfits for this specific reason, and I decided to share that with you guys if you're interested. So without further ado, let's jump right into this try on haul. Okay, you guys, the first outfit here, I'm not sure what it's called. Everything will be linked in the description below if it is still available. I bought all of these items final sale on clearance because, again, these are for cleaning motivation videos, not really to get out of the house, although it's something you can make a run in. Yes, they are all shorts, but I chose shorts because I get warm when I'm cleaning. I don't know about you guys, but it's more comfortable for me to clean in shorts. So this is the first outfit. It's a little gray, heather gray hoodie. It comes with, and just a loose fitting crop top. Everything is in a small apart from this outfit. This one's in an extra small because, again, it was final sale. I know my size for their website is a small, but they were out, so I took a chance on this. I can fit it. It's a little tighter around the legs than I would like, but it's comfortable enough to definitely clean. But yeah, it's just a comfortable outfit that I could absolutely clean in without, you know, worrying about splashing anything on it. It's just cotton. It cost me about $12. I think every outfit I'm going to show you, and it was an outfit, came with both pieces, $12. So that's a tip for you guys. If you want to embark on buying clean with me clothing like I did, but you don't want to spend a lot of money because, again, we're cleaning in it, always look for final sale and sale items and shop sets. That is how I found all of these. So yeah, I'll just show you. And it has a little drawstrings on it. So yeah, you know, really, it's really comfortable and soft. It's good for lounging. I could even sleep in this, and I can definitely clean in this. So let's do the next one. Okay, you guys, this is outfit number 2. How cute is this? This is cute. Again, cotton, $12, you guys, for both pieces. And, you know, the little bow just gives you a little extra something. Like I said, they're all shorts, but like I said, I'm going to be in the house cleaning, so it just helps me, you know, to not look a total mess, because, you know, you don't want cleaning your good stuff. But this one is really cute. I like the short sleeves. I love this detailing with the tied, like the tied detail in the bow in the front. That is so cute. That's the back there. Not special, just a t-shirt. This material, it's light, it's cotton, but extremely soft. But yeah, this is outfit number 2. We're gonna be cleaning and cute. Outfit number 3, and this is it right here. This one is cute, comfortable like the rest. It has this little tying detail. Oh, let's see, on the sides here. So I'm thinking you could make it as cropped or not cropped as you want, giving this little like swooshing or detailing on the side here. Yeah, so this is the third outfit. Cute, comfortable, like, yeah, you can move in this, like, clean it all. It's so cute. Like, I really like it. I like the color too. It's bright. I think it looks good on my skin. So yeah. yeah, this is outfit number 3. And I do not know what this is made of, you guys, but it is so very, very soft. So very, very soft. I love it. I'm trying to get that color though. That's cute. All right, let's check out the next outfit. Here's outfit number 4. This one is same as the last one, just in a nude color. I think it's really cute. And surprisingly, I really, really love the color on my skin. I did not think that I was gonna like it. And the good thing about FashionNOVA is they also have curve, which is for our thicker ladies who got way more going on than my little, I'm trying to grow something, y'all. But I think that that helps make it flexible, and the outfits are in normal size and they're in curve. So that's a good plus too if you're interested in checking it out. Like, they don't just make stuff that's, you know, tiny. I'm trying to gain a little bit more weight. I'm just on a journey, okay? On a weight gaining journey. But yeah, this is the second outfit. So be sure to check them out. I'm not affiliated or nothing. Y'all see I only got like, you know, 20 subscribers or something. But, you know, just check it out if you're interested in, you know, buying some little outfits and seeing what you got for cleaning in your house, you know. So that is this outfit. Cute. Here is our 5th and final outfit. It is cute as well. As you can see, it has a few little tear details. You can see my bra. I'll just probably wear it with a sports bra instead of a regular bra. And oh, it's just wrinkles. I thought it was a stain. And then you got the little tears down here at the bottom of on the mid thighs of the shorts. So yeah, I think this is really cute too. It's just nice to clean up in. Again, all of the outfits are really, really comfortable and very, you know, good for cleaning. If you like me and you get a little warm when you clean in the house, this would be perfect, I think. So yes, yeah, so be sure to check it out. Everything, like I said, will be linked in the description down below if you guys are at all interested. I know this is a weird video, but I couldn't help it. I just wanted to share with you guys because some of you may be thinking the same thing as me, that you would like to have nice yet comfortable and cute outfits to wear that don't cost you a lot of money, because we are cleaning. All my cleaning motivators, you would understand that when we're filming, it feels good to look nice, not always look like I'm wore out, because we do be wore out. But for me, I thought this would be a nice little trick. And plus, my husband kind of got on me and told me to quit wearing bonnets in my videos. So, you know, I'm trying. We're trying. I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna see a bonnet again. Y'all definitely will. But I'm trying to be a little bit better, be a little bit more presentable when I am sharing my cleaning motivation. So I hope this was encouraging or helpful for you guys. I hope it was helpful in any capacity. If you're thinking about that, if you weren't, maybe you're thinking about it now. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you are new. Here on Simply Clean, we do not typically do try on hauls. We focus on cleaning motivation, DIY videos, and home decor and hauls of that nature. But we may see this again. So you guys, let me know how you like this video. If it was helpful, if it has any of you guys thinking about buying little outfits for cleaning, or if you already do it. So comment in the section down below. Comment in the comment section down below and let your girl know if you guys thought about having nice outfits to record in, or if you're like, girl, you tripping. Either or, share it. I would love to hear from you guys and get to know you guys. As always, remember, cleanliness is next to godliness, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.